with even more confidence, I can say that, I made the right decision by going this route instead of that route. This is much more than, not feeling pain. But now with your program, I not only lost pain, but I also gained so much knowledge on how to protect my low back from injuries in future, and also how to, warm up before workouts, how to take care of my low back for every workout, and doing day-to-day activities, right? That's much more important than going for an appointment and getting the fix and coming back home without learning anything. With this program, I know how to fix myself. When there are flare-ups, I know what kind of workouts, what kind of warm-up stretches work for me. Even if I have a flare-up, now I know what to do. I don't have to fly back to India again to get it fixed. But I can say it's definitely worth it. I think you're the best out there.